One of the Russian military's prized and promising assets is the S-70 Okhotnik. The stealthy, heavy hunter-killer drone is being developed by Sukhoi and Russian Aircraft Corporation, MiG. The drone, which was flown for the first time on the 3rd of August 2019, is based on the earlier Mikoyan Skat, designed by MiG, and incorporates some technologies of the 5th-generation Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jet. Last year, in June, photographs of what appeared to be the Okhotnik stealth drone in flight during a real-time combat scenario over Ukraine surfaced. It's reported that the drone was observed operating in the Sumy region. Okhotnik is touted to be a stealthy aircraft. Its design is based on the flying wing scheme and incorporates the use of composite materials and stealth coatings. The 20-ton drone, with a wingspan of around 65 feet or 20 meters, is reportedly capable of a maximum speed of 1,000 kilometers per hour, or 621 miles per hour, and can carry different kinds of munitions, including air-to-surface and air-to-air missiles. Okhotnik has been conceptualized as a loyal wingman to Su-57, and 3 to 4 of these have been built. But things haven't worked out as planned for Russia. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how the S-70 Okhotnik has brought double embarrassment for Putin's forces. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. An Okhotnik was reportedly shot down by a Russian Su-57 stealth fighter after the drone appeared to malfunction. The incident occurred near the Ukrainian-controlled stronghold of Chasiv Yar in eastern Ukraine on Saturday. Among the wreckage of the drone, there were components resembling a D-30SN precision glide bomb, suggesting that the Okhotnik was on a bombing mission when it was downed. It seems Su-57 fired a short-range air-to-air missile to destroy the S-70 Okhotnik. UK MOD stated Russia's destruction of its own drone is yet another expensive and embarrassing failure of Russia's weapons development. On X, the UK MOD explained that the shooting down incident will almost certainly delay the S-70 program, and it's likely that Russia couldn't risk the aircraft falling into its adversary's hands, so chose to engage the UCAV to avoid that happening. It's unclear why Russian military leadership took the risk of deploying a crucial but not fully ready asset in a combat zone. After Okhotnik was shot down, Ukraine's intelligence was able to get its hands on the drone, which was not completely destroyed. While the drone falling into Ukrainian hands is a tactical setback, there's more to it. Ukraine's military intelligence agency, GUR, now stated that it found Western-made parts inside the wreckage of the Russian drone. GUR said that an analysis of the S-70 Okhotnik revealed components made by companies in the US and Europe. GUR, which maintains a database of thousands of foreign components found in Russian weapons, published a list of 30 found in the S-70. GUR said on Telegram, "The aggressor state, despite sanctions, used components manufactured by Western companies to create this weapon. In particular, microelectronics and other technological components manufactured by the companies Analog Devices, Texas Instruments, and Xilinx AMD USA, Infineon Technologies Germany, ST Microelectronics Switzerland were found in the Russian S-70 Hunter." Russian weapons depend on foreign components, GUR stated. Without them, they cannot continue to fight, occupy, and kill. The fact that Russia, which is considered to be one of the top 3 military powers in the world, has to source the components from outside for its weapons is a major shame. Viewers may note that Okhotnik is not the only Russian platform that has been found to rely heavily on Western chips. Earlier, Ukrainian technical experts found Western chips in many Russian platforms when some of these captured systems were taken apart and investigated. As per reports, Ukrainian specialists found 8 microchips from U.S. manufacturers like Intel, Micron Technology, and Atmel Corp. In its communication systems Barnaul-T air defense command post vehicle. Ukrainian specialists also concluded that the Pantsir air defense system had several U.S. origin chips manufactured by AMD and Texas Instruments. Similarly, there were more than 30 U.S.-made chips in the KH-101 cruise missile, including those manufactured by Cypress Semiconductor and Maxim Integrated. GUR has stated it's found more than 4,000 foreign components in nearly 150 captured or recovered Russian weapons. Viewers should note that these do not necessarily need to be sourced directly from manufacturers. There's also a vast and largely unregulated market for recycled chips, primarily originating from China. Additionally, many components are commonly found in household appliances and other non-military items. Okhotnik's episode shows Russia's ability to manufacture reliable, high-quality platforms is restricted. It also shows that the Russian military-industrial complex is not self-sufficient. Okhotnik is not the only platform that's having problems. Armata T-14 MBT, intended to slowly replace T-72 and T-90 tanks, has suffered from similar issues. The tank was first unveiled at Russia's Victory Day Parade on May 9, 2015, but its rollout has been plagued with delays and technical problems. Initial reports suggested that the Kremlin would order as many as 2,300 armadas by 2020, but only a dozen have been built. Sukhoi Su-57, which is supposed to be supported by Okhotnik, has found no buyers and there is limited serial production. On September 21st, Russia carried out a test of the RS-28 Sarmat, a nuclear-capable intercontinental ballistic missile. Although Moscow has not disclosed the test results, analysts and open-source intel indicate that the test was unsuccessful. Sarmat was introduced during a 2018 Russian State of the Nation address as the next generation of weaponry that could breach any missile defense system. The failures have long-term implications. Russia accounts for nearly 19% of worldwide weapons shipments. However, according to the latest Stockholm International Peace Research Institute or SIPRI report titled Trends in International Arms Transfers, Russian arms exports fell by 26% between 2012 and 2016, followed by a steep fall in its global share from 24% to 19% between 2017 and 2021.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.